Hey everyone, today you're about to watch a video like nothing you've ever seen before. Crazy ideas, shocking concepts, and unbelievable moments are waiting right here. This is Com Mao, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. Hit that subscribe button now and let's get started.
Check out this extraordinary farming method. A machine floats on water, spraying the vineyard from below. See how grapes are cared for step by step. Each vine is carefully sprayed by hand. Finally, the grapes are picked.
Look, he takes an ordinary ball and turns it into magic, standing still where it seems impossible. Every move is faster, sharper, and more creative. From running in the air to perfectly shaping his body, he surprises with new tricks. Just when you think it's all over, boom, another move that will blow your mind. Ever wondered how groundwater is discovered? It starts here. This powerful machine digs deep into the ground and rocks. Suddenly, water erupts, revealing the life hidden beneath. Modern engineering is transforming the secrets of the earth into the source of life. Above the ground, courage is truly tested. It's not just work, it's a rare skill, a heavy responsibility, and pure focus on the task. Every step, every handle demands precision. Here, there is no room for error. A mistake is not an option when working at these heights. So take a moment to honor the brave professionals who risk everything to keep our world running safely.